Bonjour, GMB.
Bonjour monsieur, je suis John Phillips. Je travaille pour la compagnie GMB en Gallois.
The trades union, the GMB, is already preparing for closer links with countries on the continent. This is one of a series of French lessons for its staff. With the help of Barry College, it'll soon be extended to shop stewards. They believe workers in Wales will benefit from some aspects of the Maastricht Treaty. They claim it'll improve some working conditions.
We're already working together anyway as a community, and all that this will do really is carry that forward and lay down markers. I think what's happened perhaps in the past is that Wales, obviously we have the lowest pay levels anyway in Britain, and we've been used as a sort of cheap economy for other industries to come in. Now, if all the European countries have the same guidelines that they have to follow, then obviously they're not going to be able to take advantage of Wales in perhaps the way they would have.
Close links have already been formed between many firms in Wales and others on the continent. From New Year's Day, we'll be part of a single European market. In theory, we'll be able to work in Italy, buy German insurance for the car, and even buy shares in a Spanish company. But Maastricht takes that European cooperation even further, and that's what many people are unhappy about. Techlock at Port Talbot, employing 50 people making equipment for the oil industry. Its chairman doesn't think Maastricht should be a priority while we're in recession.
Unless we've got the fundamentals of our business right first, Maastricht isn't going to work. Just having a treaty doesn't mean I can sell my products in Europe. But having the right product means I can sell it.
You say we need a stronger economy?
Oh, absolutely. We are, I think, a very weak economy.
In contrast, the manager of this company welcomes closer links than those brought by the 1992 Single European Market. Europa is a freight forwarding company already working for and with companies across Europe.
After we've joined the exclusive club and shown great deliverance over the last few years that we want to join that club, I think to walk away from it now would be disastrous.
When companies like Bosch came to Wales, they were given lucrative grants to help them set up. The Maastricht Treaty aims to make the regions of Europe more equal. Those in favour of it believe Wales will get more such money to strengthen Wales's economy. Those against it believe such funding will have little effect. Trade unionists here are preparing for change.
It stands to reason, I mean, by sheer numbers alone, that the influence on a whole range of issues like the foreign policy issues and the sort of working conditions, the harmonisation, will affect everybody, whether they know it now or not.